Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honeywell thermostat. Resetting your thermostat can resolve many common issues, like a frozen screen or incorrect readings. It's often the first troubleshooting step after a power outage or if your settings seem off. A quick reset can save you time and potentially a service call, getting your heating and cooling back on track efficiently. Let's dive into why and how to perform this simple but effective fix. To perform a soft reset, which is a temporary fix, first locate your circuit breaker and turn off the power to your heating and cooling system. Alternatively, if your thermostat uses batteries, remove them. Wait for at least 30 seconds or even up to 5 minutes before restoring power or reinserting the batteries. This simple power cycle often clears minor software glitches and restores normal operation without losing your programmed settings. A hard reset, also known as a factory reset, is more comprehensive and should be used for persistent problems or when you want to erase all custom settings. The exact steps vary by model, but typically involve pressing and holding a combination of buttons, like the menu and fan buttons, for about 5 to 10 seconds. Consult your specific Honeywell model's manual for the precise button sequence to ensure a successful factory reset. After performing either a soft or hard reset, you'll need to reconfigure your thermostat settings. This includes setting your desired temperature, programming your schedule, and adjusting any fan preferences. If you performed a factory reset, all previous custom settings will be gone. Always refer to your Honeywell thermostat's user manual for detailed, model-specific instructions on setup and troubleshooting if issues continue to persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.